Okay, now I'm connected to my MX Linux machine and I'm trying to do the installation for Linux. Mojo SDK is available. I have already shown the system requirements, which are Ubuntu 20 or later, 4 GB of RAM and Python 3.8 to 3.10. Actually, when I tried to do the installation on a different machine, I had the issue that my Python version 3.11 was not supported. So let's do it on this one. And it says the second step is to install the modular CLI, which is the command line interface. So let's copy this curl command here and paste it here. There we are, let's hit enter. I need to provide my password. And now it's starting the installation. That might take some time. And there we are, it says welcome to the modular CLI. To install Mojo, type modular install Mojo. They also show me a link for the documentation. There is a Discord channel. And of course we can report issues on GitHub. So let's do what it says. Type in the command modular install Mojo and hit enter. And it looks like it's installing a version 0.3, which seems to be a pre-release. This seems to take much longer. One of the reasons might be that there are thousands of people who heard that Mojo just came out. Okay, after about 5 minutes of doing nothing, it now starts to continue with the installation. So you might need to have some patience. We see a few warnings here. Now it's doing some testing, and you can see that it's testing Mojo test-python.mojo. Actually, Mojo is able to run real Python code. It looks like we might have some issues with the path. Okay, for a language that is supposed to be so fast, the installation process is very slow. I'm about 15 minutes into the process, and I'm still waiting for the tests to finish. I might have messed up a little bit with the virtual machine requirements, so I think after the installation is finished, I'm going to upgrade the virtual machine and reboot it. Okay, I have waited for a long time and now I have decided to interrupt the installation process. Actually, it failed. So I need to find out what's going on and I will retry in the next video. I think this time I'm going to actually use Ubuntu.